Hi, my name is Katie Bowersock, and I am your child's ninth grade resource teacher and intervention specialist this school year. When students are with me for a resource, I work with them primarily on homework completion and use it as a time to really reteach and hone in on some of the key concepts and skills that they are learning in their core classrooms. It also serves as a way for me to kind of try to help keep them afloat in their classes just by making sure that they're getting their homework done while they are at school. We also in the resource room sometimes work on organization, or we might study for a quiz, or if they're working on a writing assignment, I might help them by reading it over and proofreading with them. Sometimes when there's extra time, we can do some extra practice on IEP goal related tasks as well. Speaking of the core classrooms, I'm also with your student then to provide some extra assistance in their core classes, and so I can check in on them and help them in their English, math, science, or history class also. Your child earns a partial credit for being in my resource class, so it's kind of like an elective when it comes to graduation requirements. Resource actually helps go toward the credits they have to earn. They are graded in my class on employability skills, which are really important for anyone to develop, such as time management, task completion, professional, social skills, and just even promptness and whether or not they show up on time. I look forward to working with your child, and I've enjoyed my first week and a half with them, and I look forward to a good year. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.